So this is another numerical answer type question. Two sequences x1 of n and x2 of n have the same energy. Suppose x1 of n equal to alpha times 0.5 to the power n u of n, where alpha is a positive real number and u of n is the unit step sequence. Assume x2 of n equal to root 1.5 for n equal to 0 and 1, and 0 is 0 otherwise. So x2 of n has only two samples, each sample equal to root of 1.5, one at n equal to 0 and one at n equal to 1, and 0 at all other samples. Then the value of alpha is, so first is given that energy of x1 of n is equal to energy of x2 of n. Okay, now x1 of n is given as a signal alpha times 0.5 to the power n u of n. Okay, so what is the energy of x1 of n? Therefore energy of x1 of n is equal to sigma n equal to, actually n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, but since the signal is multiplied with the u of n, the signal exists only in the positive time cycle or positive time axis, that is from n equal to 0 to infinity. So we need to find out the summation from n equal to 0 to infinity. x1 square of n, this is equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity. What is x1 square of n? We need to square this signal, that is alpha square into 0.5 to the power 2n. Okay, and now we can expand this summation. There is no any other option left behind us, so we open this. Actually alpha square is a constant, we can take it outside. So alpha square into, for n equal to 0, this is 0.5 raised to 0 is 1, plus for n equal to 1 it becomes 0.25 to the power 2. Then for n equal to 3, n equal to 2, it is 0.5 to the power 4. N equal to 3, it is 0.5 to the power 6, etc., and goes to infinity. Okay, so obviously this is a geometric progression. Alpha square into, inside the bracket, this sequence is a geometric progression with the first term a equal to 1, then r equal to 0.5 square, right? So sum of a gp, infinite gp, is infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. We know the value of a, we know the value of r, so alpha square into 1 by 1 minus 0.5 square, that is equal to alpha square into 1 by 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75, right? 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75, which is nothing but 3 by 4. So 4 by 3 in reciprocal. Okay, so this is the energy. 4 alpha square by 3 is the energy of x1 of n. Alright, now consider energy of x2 of n. Energy of x2 of n. x2 of n is only two samples, root 1.5 and root 1.5. So sigma n equal to minus infinity x2 square of n. We need to find the summation only at n equal to 0 and n equal to 1, and in both cases the sample is root of 1.5. So x2 square of 0 plus x2 square of 1. x2 square of 0 is root of 1.5 square is 1.5, plus x2 square of 1 is also 1.5, that is 3. Okay, so we got e of x1 of n as 4 alpha square by 3 and e of x2 of n as 3. And now in the question given us, both the energy of these signals are same. So I can write therefore 4 alpha square by 3 is equal to 3. That implies alpha square equal to 9 by 4. That implies, in the question it is given that alpha is a positive real number, so there is no chance of a negative number. Okay, so that implies alpha equal to positive root of 9 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So this is a numerical answer type question, so we have to write 1.5 as the correct answer. So the correct answer is 1.5.